Hey guys, it's your girl Royalty. We're back with another video, and as promised, I'm going to take you guys to 3 locations to go make some boo baskets, and the first one on our list is the Dollar Tree. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. So first up, we do need like a basket or something of the sort, and I do see some right here. There's this little kitty one, but I don't know, I'm not 100% convinced. As well as all these baskets. Okay, this is the one that we're going with. No tricks, just treats. And there's a bunch of different ones. So these are super cute. Or these if you want something like simple, just fall colors and not so much like Halloweenish. I think I'm gonna grab one of these for like filler. Let's see, there's little dogs or the little ghosts. We're also gonna grab another basket because I'm thinking like maybe like a guy and so maybe for like an adult like too flat. Oh, and just look, these are super cute. I do like this one more. Grab it. I think I like the pink ghost. Go ahead and put this for the girl basket, and maybe get another one for the guys. You think like Scooby-Doo, Hershey's. I mean, I guess Stranger Things are kind of cool. Like an adult guy, it's like hit or miss with that type of stuff. Little baby wants to match, and I don't have a kid, but like, how cute. For like kids, it'd be so easy to fill this up with like lanyards, stickers, clay, all that type of stuff. Maybe like a cup. This is cool. We like do drinks and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna add this one in here. And here's where you can get creative with it because a lot of people like just fill it up with some candy. I don't know about the Jolly Rancher gummies, but let's see. Airheads. Follow me, guys. Put some for the guy since he's looking a little empty. But it really just depends on your person. Little Reese's ghosts or pumpkins. Maybe one's exclusive. No pops, super fire. These are super cool, like candy cane popcorn. If you really wanted to, you could decorate the baskets more with like either some of these pumpkins, mushrooms, like little leaves and sticks. Like these are super cool to like just stick into the basket or like decorate it with some ribbon. Like there's more Halloween socks. Let's see if we can find one. That's kind of depressing. Pero look, there's tights. I'm actually gonna pick myself off a pair of these. For the girls, I would definitely come over here and get some like beauty stuff for them if they like nails, maybe some of like the wrap ones, or just go to TJ Maxx and get the nail reformations. I've had them on for 2 weeks and it's the first one that came off. But there's like so many cool stuff here all the time. Like these are actually like Halloween lip balms. Let's go ahead and have one of these. Let me know if you guys want me to try the hard wax beads because I do have a waxing machine and I know how to do it. So I'm just curious about the quality of these ones, if they're actually going to pull out any hair. Like, I'm going to go ahead and add these face masks in there. It's sweet pumpkin scented and it's perfect for a guy or a girl. This is just coming out so cute, like the girl one. And this is just a bunch of candy so far. But that's going to change because they've really like come out with like their skincare and all types of like body stuff. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna have to definitely get myself some of these. They're shimmer oils. They had like a pink one. Oh my god, that would be super iconic. But I think it's just a gold and silver. I love anything glitter. And I would put another one in there for the girls. So let's go with this one. Not gonna lie. Guys really do like this. You can put that in there. They can clean for their car, their hands. I'd imagine you get the Dr. Jart, if not the Essence one. They have like a knockoff of the Sol de Janeiro. I'm wondering how it smells. Guys, I was hoping to find some cream, but I don't really see it. Oh, look, they do have body scrubs. This would be super cool for the girl room. Shove that in there. I feel like getting people cream is probably some must. Being dry just ain't cute, so we're gonna still got one in the guy one. This is the guy basket. Tell me that's not super cute. And if you throw in a gift card here and maybe like some socks or something else that they would like, if you go to multiple Dollar Trees too, or like a candle, that would just like wow, completely blow off this basket. And this is the girl boo basket. Tell me that's not super cute with the oven mitt if they do like to drink and go bartending. like glitter, socks, scrub, candy, and you can just pack it up and fill it to your budget. But overall, super cute. Hey guys, so I already know like it's nighttime right now, and I just got out of a brand ambassador job. So basically the Dolphins are playing today a home game, and it's a Monday, so I don't know why we're even doing promo. Now I'm gonna show you guys what you can get at Five Below. I literally just took off the top. Since it was a white one, I just kept my long sleeve on, and then I changed my shorts because I had on a skirt beforehand. Walmart, Five Below, and the Dollar Tree are all affordable places, and if you guys stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys my press-on nails sometime in these following videos, so make sure to subscribe. Right in the front, we already have like little buckets. Let's grab one of the smaller ones. Oh my goodness, yes, for a girl, I would totally get some of these. I might even pop out with a pair myself. Tell me these are not super cute shorts. Just add into the basket. And these are super cute. I recently got into press-ons, but like, look at these. These are super cute, and even the little mummies. I think I like these the most, like with the little bag. That's the basket. They also have creams. Look, everything. It has with a little charm. Side note, if you guys want me to do a full walkthrough or try some of their makeup, like look at these like liquid eyeliners. I feel like I can add her, but she takes so much space, and I didn't get a big bucket. Oh my god, it's like an angry sorting hat. Yes. I like. We're gonna find a way to put you in here. There's even little shoes. I'm just trying to make it like a mini one. More Harry Potter stuff. Oh, these are super cute too. They're like little teacups. And I think this one's fire. They didn't have them on like Crazy Lock, so we're gonna get this one. Just add it right there. You guys like Wicked? There's a ton of stuff. Like these are super cute to wear like always, but like the tumblers, like another crochet kit. I don't really recommend these regardless of the age. The little hand sanitizers. Oh my god, this is super freaking cute. I would wear that like everyday type thing. And they even have stuff for guys. Like you can totally make a boo basket with these. They're $5, and I've seen in the other Five Belows that they have different styles of them. Skeleton Squad, so freaking cute. I have a pair of these, but they're like black with little bats on them that I just got. Remember too, like your boo baskets don't need to be like entirely like Halloween, just like something cute. There's the pumpkin, the Bratz one. I already checked it. I don't have my sizes, but the cherries. I do want to do a video just like walking down and shopping at Five Below. But look at that. For like a kid, that'd be super pretty. Like more socks. Black ghost socks with like the little pink bow. Just put that on there. I would never touch a Ouija board like ever. Don't play around with that stuff. But look, they have all these little Halloween shirts. I think Five Below is like awesome. You can go between this and the Dollar Tree and find exactly like what you need. And the cool thing is that Five Below has a whole candy section if you've never been here. You can try like all different types of stuff. The Pop Rocks, oh my gosh, that was like such a hazard in school. Like even by the register, they have like some exotic snacks. Look how big these gummy bears are. That Coca-Cola. And pickles are so gross. That actually looks repulsive. You see, they even have like a Sol de Janeiro like cream over here too. It's like another dupe. Let me know if you guys want me to compare them, and then we'll do like a whole comparison video. But look at these, like this is perfect for a guy. These are like $5. They have like travel stuff, a trimmer, razors. Like this is perfect for like an adult boo basket. You can totally make one of these, I think like under like 25-30 bucks. What is this? A sugar body scrub. They had pumpkin and pumpkin chai latte. Oh my goodness, this is cute. I'm gonna add it to the cart. These are like regular press-ons. Let me know if you guys want me to try them. Those cherries are stinking cute. Like these are perfect. Lip liners. And like you can never go wrong with these pencil eyeliners. Oh, this is nice. You can like interchange it. Oh my god, Harry Potter. I like the Heartbreaker 23. I feel like this is a good place to get some graphic tees. Keep looking for that one just because it's kind of iconic. Notable mention, like there's a 3-pack of cuticle oil, 5-pack of lip oil for $3, highlighters. Like this is a good place to find them, especially for like women or men. There's like so many options. If they're like a makeup person, just make it cater to them and just add a little bit of candy. But that's our boot basket for Five Below. It's just an example that you guys can make these for fairly cheap. This one does cost under $30 and that's just amazing. Last but not least, we're at Walmart. Okay, we're gonna do this one a little bit different, and I'm kind of just gonna show you everything they have here rather than just like actually make a boot basket, but to show you all the things that you can get. So right off the bat when you come in, there's like all these rows of candy, and they're gonna be useful anyways if you guys are actually like giving out candy for Halloween. Look at that, $5 like Five Below. Like these are super cute just to be able to add onto it. I feel like these are good for the holidays, you know. Are these like, oh, those are cute. And if you haven't gotten them costumes, they're still costumes, and it's good to come like early because then, you know, stuff won't be able to disappear on you. Last minute costume ideas for especially like the guys. You can just put on like a black outfit and just have one of these on. This section is super cool. They didn't have this at the Dollar Tree or at Five Below, but it is Halloween makeup, like liquid Windex. If any of your friends are actually like super creative and artsy, I would put that in here because you can make like the little scars. Like they even have retractable vampire teeth. I don't know how that works, but if you guys want me to try out some of the stuff, definitely let me know. Even like the different color hairsprays. I'm going with the Joker for one of my costumes this year. So maybe for like the top of the roots, like the green down there would be perfect. Like I found more earrings and little stuff. Like the charm set's super cute. Little like bows. These are just great to add into like your boot baskets and just have stuff for like the festivities. Like these don't weigh a lot, which is good for people's ears really. It's kind of funny too. So I'm like looking for things to put in here. But, little bows if your eyes are gonna carve pumpkins. They do have baskets and they're $122, so I would honestly just pick up a basket from the Dollar Tree and then come this way. As of right now, I'm mostly crazy stuff to be able to put in it. It's mostly like custom accessories, but I definitely would put one of these tumblers. They're only $6.72. These are glass. These are cute. These are nice, and they're only $4 for the holidays, and it's reusable. Like with me, I'm all for getting stuff that's gonna like last, that people are actually gonna use. So I don't know, like some of these things are just for like the festivities. Ooh, this is a find though. These are $4.22, and I would totally add one of these to the blue basket because they're versatile and you can use them whenever. Let's see, there's little mushrooms. Like if they had this like in a nude, I would pick it up. I'm not gonna lie, maybe it's just my Walmart, but I feel like they don't have like a crazy amount of Halloween like little stuff to add into it. But I would definitely add candy, and Walmart's so versatile, so I would do any of the makeup, arts and crafts, clothing. It really just depends on like what your person likes. So there are things to do and fill in here. For example, they have these on clearance, like do your own peppermint face mask. I'm not a really big believer of bath bombs. I don't think they're super good for you, but like the soap bars, we do have cinnamon pumpkin. These are like wax melts. So there's cinnamon apple. See, these are super cool to add into a boot basket. Vanilla French toast. That smells delicious. They do have some Halloween pajamas here. Okay, now we're seeing a little more Halloween stuff. I love matching PJs. I feel like you can never go wrong with them. Especially like this one. This is probably the one I would get too. Just because the magnesium, the Epsom salt, the colloidal oatmeal, which I normally put in my baths anyways. And the Dollar Tree has like the same thing. It's just colloidal oatmeal, and this is one of the best ingredients for skincare. They're charging $8 here for a box of this when you can find like 6 packs for $1. But yeah, you guys, so that is your different boo basket. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be bringing you guys a lot more fall videos coming up, so definitely go check that out. And yeah, I'm out here vlogging in person, and I'm perfectly okay with it. So yeah, see you guys.